Hey, welcome back to PaleoNick.com. This is our next episode of the It's Not Gourmet series, and we're gonna stick with the It's Not Gourmet, it just tastes that way. So, Beef Bourguignon is coming right up. You don't wanna miss this one. All right, so what I like about this one is I use the crock as my mixing bowl. We're gonna start this off with, let's go with our beef. Get that in there, 3 pounds. Just over 3 pounds of beef stew meat. And I'll spread that out and then season it, salt and pepper. So garlic, good amount of garlic. That's probably 3/4 of a cup. I got a half pound of bacon, cut up. All right, and then next up I've got 1 large onion. This is about 2 cups of tomato paste. 4 cups of carrots. And then this is where you have the option. You can either, if you're gonna be home about an hour before this is done, then you'd add the pearl onions and mushrooms at that time. But we're gonna say that you're not gonna be home, right? Because you're at work, working up a hunger. So we're just gonna add these in the morning, right? First thing. So I'm gonna get these guys in there, stir them up, then I'll just top it off with the mushrooms right at the end. Couple more ingredients would be thyme right here, dry thyme, about that much, and then a nice bottle of red wine. So I'm gonna hit the wine cellar. I'll be right back. All right, so here I'm just gonna crack this bottle red wine, California red wine, nice and local, and 750 milliliters. We'll go all in with that. So the tomato paste will give some body, the wine will give us depth of flavor. And you know, the best thing you could probably do if you're gonna do one more thing would be to sear off all this meat before we throw it in here. But we're not that gourmet, we're just keeping it simple. Last thing, get our shrooms in there, and then a couple, maybe three small bay leaves around the edge. The reason I don't put the bay leaves in the beginning is because we're stirring this up and they're gonna break up into little bits. Don't forget to take those bay leaves out at the end. All right, lid's going on. We're gonna pop this in the warmer there, 9 hours. 9 hours later, it's gonna look something like this right over here. It's a little bit more red than a traditional Bourguignon. A really good flavor. The wine is the main flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it. That's what I always recommend. Taste the stuff at the end and then use your better judgment as to what it needs. So we're gonna plate this up, we'll check right back in. All right, so there we have it. Super simple, slow cooker beef bourguignon. I'm Paleo Nick, thanks for watching. Remember, it's not gourmet, and don't forget to keep it paleo.